So this consequent encroachment of that wick here, we trade down into that, and we leave the low there and come right back up into this gap. The sell side imbalance buy side inefficiency becomes, again, one more time, reclaimed bearish fair value gap, and the sell side here and here is formed. And one more time, they wick it through. This is a stop run. As soon as it did this, that right there, it's over. The rest of the session, they've knocked out anybody that's trailed stop losses on shorts from here to here to here to here. That was a run on that liquidity. As soon as that candlestick closed like that, you have every reason to anticipate lower prices. This, at that time, becomes an inversion fair value gap. We're running buy side. We're running through it, clearing it, and then as soon as we close below it, what are we seeing here? The bodies have shown you confirmation that this was just a stop hunt. Look for the next PD array as a premium array that you can short on. Rally up, drop down. Rally up, stop hunt. This one, because we trade to a PD array, and look at the bodies here. Okay? Because this run didn't even go to consequent encroachment and it dropped down, all that was a run on rejection. Okay? That up close candlestick, that closing price, that's rejection block. So there's rejection block. It runs up and hits it, clears the rejection block, and then sells off. When it does that, it doesn't need to take out that high because it's anchored to the basis of that fair value gap here. This one over here that I gave you yesterday in the live stream. So the logic is they ran it back up to take the bodies out. Remember, the bodies tell you the narrative. The wicks are allowed to do the damage. I don't need the wicks to clear. Okay, I don't need that. But it's selling off here, and it did it right before this big pump up. So the first premium array I can sell short on is this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Carrying it through the range, it's going to act as inversion fair value gap here. So anything in here getting short is okay. Now, apply what I've been teaching you recently. Same logic now. The fair value gap right before a stop hunt that you clearly can see. Buy side, rallies. What's the fair value gap right before that? This one. My deuce, my deuce, my deuce. Runs up. The bodies are telling you what? Lower half. Lower half. Consequent encroachment. No passy. No passy. Where's it going to go? Sell side. Take the low out of the day. And then continuously drop. First gap after blowing through it, that's the one you want to trade. You don't want to expect it to go back up into this one. First fair value gap right there. Boom. Now, here's for your notes. In a trending day, how do we know it's going to be a trending day, ICT? Because I told you back in the live stream, okay, if we can close below this wick that was inside of the first hour's dealing range, if we can trade on a closing base below that, that sets the stage for lower prices in the afternoon, in the PM session. I won't be here during the PM session. Go back and watch the live stream. It's there. Choke on it. Here we have the run below that low. So we'll take this off. So that sell side there. It runs through it. In a trending day, after we have broken first hour's dealing range, this is not breaking it. This is them testing it and then retracing back in, that I told you was likely to happen before it happened. As that candle was forming, before it even closed, I told you that was it. Just like I told you, this high was manipulation. Okay? First presented fair value gap after first hour's dealing range is broken. First presented fair value gap after that, that's the one you'll sell on. It trades up into it here. Can't even trade to the consequent encroachment. Is that bullish or bearish? While order flow is bearish, this is a signature that tells you it can't even get to halfway point. If you can't even meet me halfway, why bother, bro? See how that works? So it can't even get to halfway. It's exceedingly weak. It's going to go the other direction. Okay. And it trades lower, 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 lower.